Emma. The sun is shining.
Today is a very special day.
Yes, honey. Your first day of school.
I'm so excited, Mom. Thank you.
Yes, honey. Your first day of school.
I'm so excited, Mom. Thank you.
Look at my beautiful new uniform, Mom. You will look so pretty in it. But I am a little bit scared. That is normal. I am here with you.
You are a very brave girl, Emma.
Thanks, Mom.
Good morning, my sweet little princess.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Ethan. Good morning, Emma.
Morning, Sport.
I checked your new pink backpack, Emma. Your water bottle is inside the pocket.
I put 3 pencils in your bag. And your favorite blue eraser is there too.
Oh, yay. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much, Big Brother.
And I made a delicious lunch for you.
Your favorite sandwich and some sweet apples.
Let's sit down and eat breakfast together.
These pancakes smell so good, Mom. Eat a lot. You need energy today.
Will the other kids like me, Ethan? Of course. You are very funny and kind. You will make many new friends today.
Just smile and say hello to everyone.
Now, let's put on your new school uniform.
I'm almost ready. Look! This white shirt is very soft.
Let me brush your beautiful hair, Emma.
Come here, let me tie your shoes.
Look in the mirror. I am a student. You look really cool, my little sister. Thanks, Ethan.
Stop right there. Stand by the front door. All right, perfect. Got it. Looks great. We need to take some family photos.
Smile wide, Emma. Show me your happy face.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Say cheese, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. This is so much fun.
This is perfect. I will put this photo on the wall. Yes, that's a great spot for it.
Get in the car, family. Time to go.
The school is very far away, right?
No, honey. It is very close to our house. Almost there. Are we there yet, Dad?
Oh, look at that!
Just around this corner, sweetie.
Look outside. I see other kids with backpacks. They are going to your school too. Yeah. One.
We are finally here. Look at the big school.
Wow. There are so many tall trees.
Give me your hand, Emma. Let's walk together.
It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry, I'll be right here. But there are so many people here. I feel shy.
Take a deep breath. You can do this.
I will give you a big hug, Emma.
Hello there. Welcome to our happy class.
I am Mr. Sarah. What is your name? My name is Mia. Hello, Mrs. Sarah. My name is Emma.
It is this Vaspel
It is very nice to meet you, Emma. Come inside. Look at all the colorful toys.
This is your desk. You sit right here.
Hi, Emma. I am Leo. Do you want to play?
Yes, please. I love playing with building blocks. Let's build a very tall castle together. Look at our castle. It is so high.
Look through the window, Dad. She is smiling.
Oh, I see her. Yes, she is playing happily with her new friends. She is not scared anymore.
Our little girl is really growing up fast. Let's go home. We will pick her up later.
Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. See you this afternoon. Did you like my story today? Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.